In a bizarre world where gall meets gavel, here are 5 stupefyingly notorious tales of individuals who dared to tickle Lady Justice's funny bone with flirts and bribes, only to find her humor darker than expected. First up, we travel to England in 2019 with Melania Geymonat, who must have thought she was in a vintage comedy film where charm could solve anything. Our heroine and her friend, while attempting to nail some hooligans guilty of harassment, were approached by some officers. Instead of keeping her cool, the scene turned frisky rather than friend-like. A feeble flirt with the officers was attempted, which most certainly fell flat. When Cupid's arrow didn't fly, they opted for the good old currency carrot. They tried to buy their way out. Spoiler alert, it didn't work. Instead, they found themselves spinning a reel of greater legal trouble, with violence charges popping up like a terrible commercial jingle. Next, the Cold War setting brings us a glimpse into the completely not Bondish antics of a certain Vladimir Putin during his KGB days. Although it lacks the flair of a direct bribe, there's gossip about the man wholesaling flirts and charm like discount cookies. Sadly, these stories sound more like spy novel yarns spun by grandma, never proven but passed on in hushed whispers by younger grandmas over cookies and tea. Uncle Sam enters the chat in 2019 with Jussie Smollett, who starred in his own production of Crime Fabrication Extra Fabric Softener. After allegedly orchestrating a staged hate crime against himself, there was chatter about possible palm-greasing endeavors to dodge repercussions. Jussie may have envisaged a heartwarming plot twist, but ended up right in the drama's climax when it turned against him in court. Then the tale of Kylie Jenner from the City of Angels 2018 catalog illustrates an attempt at nipping a brush with the law in the bud through the potent mix of an eyelash flutter and a celebrity name drop. She might not have offered cold, hard cash, but surely believed fame was the desired currency. Forgetting that officers aren't fans at a meet and greet, the debate stirred about how celebrities wield their sunny privilege like discount coupons. Finally, the murky saga of Casey Anthony in 2008 shows manipulation convoluting the detective plot. Accused of the heart-wrenching crime of baby murder, Casey excelled not only in confusion, but tried to roll subtle tactics. Attempts to lead police testimonies astray weren't official bribe-worthy, but they hold a dishonorable mention for sheer drama. These ostensibly humorous yet grim plots underline that when faced with legal rhubarb, using charm and corrupt cash as salvavers will likely lead to a sit-down session with legal beagles rather than chiefs of Cupid's court. Flirting and bribery in these sagas were not just dead ends, but were like flamboyant cartoon banana peels, slipping one into harsher sentences and multifaceted debacles.